All right, here we are at 901 PONCA Trail here in Maitland, Florida, 32751. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath, and 2 half-bath, 2,188 square foot. All new windows. The roof is currently going through a claim process right now, so the seller's working to get that replaced for the new buyer. Nice mature landscaping. Beautiful tree right out front. Legitimately right next door to the house we were just at. Nice vinyl fencing all the way around. 2-car garage. Really nice double door right when you walk up to it. You've got tile flooring when you come in. And so right when you come here to the front, obviously to the right, you've got the dining into the kitchen, living space, and then down here through the bedrooms. Let me just actually, before I do that, flip you around and show you the front door entry. Nice closet. And one thing, if you can see that, it does have the terrazzo flooring in here. So again, all under this carpet is terrazzo flooring. Bedroom number 1. Really nice large space. Again, new windows. Looking out to the pool, that is a chlorine pool. And we open these 2 bifolds. Again, nice large closet. Again, very nice sized room. These are the hollow core doors, obviously. Come here again to the hallway. You've got your linen closet here. Pretty standard, but nice and deep. Bedroom number 2. You got the double closets. And actually, this is the master. Again, all new windows. Looks like a new top. There's a terrazzo floor. Again, nice master closet. So you've got a his and a her size, both basically the same size. Come straight ahead down here. Here's your HVAC. And let me see if I can get the date on this. This looks like a 21. I'll get those dates, but nice large size Trane. Bedroom number 3. Again, this is that wood siding that's been painted on there. But everything else is pretty straightforward. Nice built-in shelf right here. You've got a pretty standard closet. Bedroom number 4. Again, there's a nice look at the terrazzo. Again, it's really light. It's got that blue, the blue and tans in there. Looks really clean. Again, all new windows. They're obviously using this as an office. Bathroom number 2. So we'll walk into the dining on this side. Again, very large table, seats 8, feels completely comfortable all around it. Outlooking to the pool and a nice sitting room. You do have sliders right here in the middle before you go into that room. We'll go over here into the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen's been remodeled, new cabinets, new countertops. All your appliances are new, really nice gray backsplash. Very comfortable, light and bright. Again, not a lot of lights on in here, so they can tell you the nice natural light coming through. Nice coffee bar extending the storage. Here is your pantry. And then through the garage. Through this door is your garage. And albeit 2 cars fitting in a 2-car garage, you love to see it. And a lot of good storage throughout. There is your hot water heater. Your washer and dryer right on the back side. And there's your electrical box, all updated and good to go. And then right here out the garage, you can see they've got the nice pavers that go out to the gate. Pavers run all the way back to the pool on that side. Water softener. Again, you can see the irrigation lines. You've got all the new replumb, electrical panel. Looks like they do have a generator hookup on that side as well. And there's your power to the pole. But again, 2 cars. Those are 2 SUVs, which is great. You have this little bit of a step up. There's another good look at the tile here in the kitchen. We'll come down here into the sitting room. Again, here's those double doors that we talked about right here. Look on into the kitchen. Here's the porch. And there's your mini split. I was about to say, it is nice and cold in here. So that is working very well. All new double pane windows throughout. These beautiful large windows on this side. They all have, I think those are called Roman shades as they come down. And this side of the house, and there's the pavers continued from the back side of the house all the way over. And this is all built in, so all of that would stay here with the house as well. And here we are in the back side of the pool.
Yeah, to the left over there is the AC and the
Okay.
grassy area.
Perfect. Nice overhang, gutters on this side. Nice mature landscaping. Huge pool. This is the size. This is what you want. In today's market, this would be a $150,000 pool all day. Here's all of your lovely pool equipment, all nice and clean. Here's your HVAC. Nice little side yard.